Your heart is going, thoughts racing, and someone says it, just breathe. So you take a big breath, and nothing happens. You feel a little silly, and a lot still stressed. Here's what nobody told you. Breathing in is not the calming part. The exhale is. The whole pattern is in for about 4, out for about 6. Out longer than in. That one ratio is the entire reset, and in a minute we'll do it together so you feel it work. By the end of this, you'll know exactly why Just Breathe never worked, and you'll have a pattern you can run anywhere for life that no one can even see you doing. The pattern, plain and simple. Make your out breath longer than your in breath. Most people under stress do the opposite. They grab big, fast breaths in. That actually winds the body up further because the inhale is the activating half of the breath. The calming half is the exhale. So, breathe in for a count of about 4. Let the breath out, slow and soft, for a count of about 6. In for 4, out for 6. A short in, a long, easy out. Repeat a handful of times. No app. No technique with a fancy name. No perfect form. A slightly longer exhale than inhale, a few times in a row. That's the pattern your body responds to. And there are 2 reasons it works when the big dramatic breath doesn't. First, when you breathe in, your heart speeds up a little. When you breathe out, it slows back down. That's running right now, on its own, with every breath you take. So the longer you spend in the out breath, the more time your heart spends slowing. Simple arithmetic, built into your body. Second, and this is the real key, your body is always scanning underneath everything for one question. Am I safe right now? A long, unhurried exhale is something you cannot do in an emergency. There is no danger that lets you breathe out slowly for a count of 6. So when you make that long out breath on purpose, your body reads it as honest evidence. If I have time to exhale this slowly, things must be okay. And it stands down. You're not forcing yourself to feel calm. You're handing your system a true signal of safety, and it does the rest, and no one can see you do it. In a meeting, in traffic, mid-argument, lying awake at 3 a.m. It's the most available reset you own. One note, this is gentle enough for nearly everyone, but if slowing your breath ever makes you lightheaded, let it return to normal. It should feel easy, never strained. Now let's make it yours. Keep it soft the whole way through. Breathe in gently through your nose for a count of 4, 2, 3, 4. Now let it out slowly, nose or softly through the mouth for a count of 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Smooth like a slow leak, not a push. Let the next breath arrive on its own. And again, in for 4, out long and slow for 6. One more, in for 4, out for 6. Notice, 3 rounds, and something has already loosened. The shoulders, the jaw, the mind, a touch quieter. That's the reset doing exactly what it's built to do, out longer than in. That's the whole pattern, and now you know why it works when Just Breathe never did. It lands even faster if you rest your attention on the anchor spot you found the last episode while you run it. So if you haven't found your anchor yet, watch that one next. And subscribe so the next tool is there when you need it.